In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 Sleep Keeps Turning On. If your PC keeps nodding off right when you need it, we'll adjust a few power options so Windows stops putting your device to sleep on its own. First, open Settings. Click the Start button and select the gear icon, or press Windows key +I to open it instantly. This is where we'll make all the changes. Once Settings is open, select System from the left sidebar. The System area controls how your computer behaves, including display, notifications, and power. Next, click Power. Depending on your Windows 11 version, it may appear as Power and Battery. Either way, this page is where Windows decides when to turn off your screen, enter sleep, or move into hibernate. Now look for the section labeled Screen, Sleep, and Hibernate Timeouts, and open it. You'll see separate choices for when your device is running on battery and when it's plugged in. These timers are the reason your computer keeps waking or dozing off unexpectedly. Here's the fix. Set every timeout you see to Never. Set the screen timeout to Never, so your display stays on. Set Sleep to Never, so the system won't enter sleep automatically. And set Hibernate to Never, so it won't shift into an even deeper power-saving state. Make sure you change these for both, on battery and when plugged in, so the behavior is consistent no matter how you're using your PC. That's all you need to do. The changes apply immediately. There's no save button to click. From now on, Windows will remain awake until you manually put it to sleep, shut it down, or close the lid if you're on a laptop. A quick heads up. Choosing Never for these options can increase power use, shorten battery life on portable devices, and keep the machine warmer if it's busy. If you frequently step away, consider manually locking your screen to protect your work, and remember to put your device to sleep yourself when you're done. If you later decide you want Windows to manage power automatically again, just come back to the same Screen, Sleep, and Hibernate timeouts area and pick specific times that fit your routine. And that's how to stop Windows 11 from sleeping when you don't want it to. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your system awake exactly when you need it.